How to reset settings, factory reset, Canon G3470. If you want to make reset all the settings, device factory reset, so in this video I will show you. Now first of all you have to press on home button, and after that you have to go for the settings, click OK, and in this area you will see LAN, and then on the number 2 you will see device settings, click OK, and in this menu you have to scroll down and you will see reset settings, so click OK. Now you will see here 4 options. You can reset only LAN settings, setting only, and setup only. So we can make reset all, click yes, and you are done. So you have to wait for a few minutes, and after that it will be done. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.